Ouais, c'est un peu cassé, j'aime même si je mets un peu plus fort. Moins...
You want this chain then? So you start to see it.
No, that's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
Get rid of it. As soon as I see it, as soon as I go.
That's fine, thank you.
Messy.
Coach, I'm going to go for this.
This music comes in. That's such a presentation.
It falls off.
So can I just sort of tell you the site one by way or the other?
Now the dodgy shirt.
Good. Now I've got more around that way, the other way, and your body around there.
You think we could get the blue and the black hat as well?
Should find it from.
Blue with the red symbol, you use it.
More squarely onto the shoulder.
Yeah, that's the last section. Yeah, yes. Very nice shoulders.
Good, 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 good. That's nice. Good. Yeah. Good, Colin.
Maybe we should thin this out a bit, yeah? You know, because when you make an icon out of an image, that's one thing. If you put it on the ground and have people walking on it, it's sort of destroyed.
Yeah.
It's like iconoclastic.
Yeah, it's more kind of unnerving.
Yes, interesting. And he will not sleep.
That was nice, actually. Very nice.
Well, I don't blame them. Yeah, I think it's a very bad habit. Yeah. I'm not encouraging my children to smoke. In fact, I don't, and he doesn't. Just do it without a cigarette.
Yeah, that's better.
Oh, I could have danced the night away.
Jest to są ksimy. No nice on the flat floating.
Achieved. I've seen footage of those levitation classes that they give in places like California. These guys are like hopping across the floor. Yes, I'm going. And they're doing jumps.
I've seen the stuff where they did the walking across cold. They could stand around in the cold car park for an hour beforehand, barefooted.
Roger? Yeah. I've got it in my mind. I was just saying to Nick, the idea of projection. We're talking about the projection thing.
Yes, yeah, with the
I was having a stronger feeling of it actually being projected on the floor.
right.
A huge image, icon style image like that. And people walking like it.
So you know, see what it is.
Well, yeah, that firstly,
Yes,
yeah. And also they're destroying the image at the same time. And it was kind of interesting to if they're dancing.
Yeah.
Especially they're very bright people on the black and white image.
Because I know they came up about the idea of this Warhol thing with the moon.
Yeah,
So like,
yeah.
You know, like this constant thing.
Yeah. But it would be nice to put it in
No, usually, yes, so you don't need to see.
Yeah, especially if it's a vast square type of place.
I don't know.
Zoom across it to be on the ground in front of you, you actually go and looking at the picture like that.
Yes,
With the camera.
yes.
You might be able to make out what it is, but it would be terribly distorted.
Because you know, those paintings used to do in the 17th century, but they're like taking, you had to like look through a tube. Or
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
yeah. And stretch.
Or move the page over.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Good. Good. You take a drag, you stick right again. Good. And again, please. Okay. Now very directly towards me. And very much as there is no air, so just smoke. Not the side.
I might stop before Joe did it.
Yeah, that's right. That's very nice.
About at the end now.
Alright. Lift your head again, please. Close your eyes. Okay. Good. Can we try that striking, please?
I've got to go get cigarettes. I haven't got any.
See?
No, I haven't got any. I've done. 20 this morning.
Mentor, do you like mentor?
Oh, it's the first cigarette I ever smoked.
Everyone was considered.
Top of the bus, yes. I got a whole packet of menthol cigarettes.
Throw it down the way there.
Just out to get some.
Oh no, I've got some. It doesn't have to go out. I've got some.
Mark, can you lose the tension in the background? Try to keep your thing a little bit further back. Yeah, sorry.
It's funny, but they do it actually very well. They do it very well. That specific period.
He's a bit of a sex symbol, the guy.
Is he?
Yeah, he's kind of like,
What's his name?
Melanie might know.
Melanie.
Melanie might know. No, because it was. No, unfortunately not.
Melanie. That's a good name for a singer.
Did you just take a drag?
Oh yeah. Working it.
But ignore the camera. So I look slightly off it, just about here. Very deadpan.